Siddharth.
Hi.
Welcome to Teletadka.
Thank you so much for having me.
Siddharth, when you got this offer from Jhalak, what first thought came to your mind?
Are you serious? That's the thought that came into my mind.
You are such a successful model. After that, you have been such a successful now actor. And now, what do you think about your dancing?
Now I fully suck in dancing.
So how he is as a student?
People think that he dances really well because he covers it a lot with his expressions, which for me is half the job done. But in terms of body movement, he is still very raw. It's a lot of work to do.
Does he get nervous?
If he gets nervous, he doesn't show me his smile.
And what do you do to hide or to suppress or just get rid of your nervousness?
I don't know, I just perform and I try and perform to my fullest because that is what's going to get me anywhere. And yes, nervous energies are there. In fact, a lot of times I happen to get nervous much before the act. So just before, like 2 days prior, I start eating like Sonia hit me go, Sonia, will we look okay, listen, am I doing it fine? Am I not? I hope I'm not looking funny. So I have all these questions and okay, will I be able to do it? I hope I won't forget now. So the only thing that Sonia keeps telling me is that you just come to the rehearsals, do the rehearsals and leave it all on me. So this happened in the beginning for a week. Then she actually sat down and she hammered it into my head saying that you don't need to take these stresses. They're my stresses, so I kind of abide with it now.
Any particular dance form that you like?
I don't really know about a lot of dance forms, so I really don't know. The steps that I can do have become the forms that I love.
Okay, and how many dance forms you want to learn from this show?
I want to learn it all very good.
Yeah? So you want to come out as a complete dancer after this?
I really hope to. I wish to.
And here, who is your biggest competitor?
I think nobody's my competitor because my level and their level is totally different. So in my level, I think I'm in my league with my own.
My level and their
No, exactly, but the screen was so much so my level and theirs.
because it looked the same.
No, yeah, but there was difference.
One thing I would like to know, how would you...
Here in this?
Yeah.
He is my competitor, she is my competitor, but we are friends.
These are our friends.
We are
He's just upgraded me. I was just telling you about the levels. He just upgraded me.
Yes, man, all the guys, you need it. Huh?
Absolutely. We just need that.
How you gonna manage your shooting schedule plus the Jhalak rehearsals and everything?
It's going to be tough. It is tough, but now that I've taken out the show, I don't have a choice, and I want to have no choice. I don't want to make no excuses. Now that I'm a part of the show, and I know what's required, so I'm going to give it all.
Have you seen last year's Jhalak Dikhla Ja?
I have seen Jhalak since the time it has started, and I've been watching it in bits because, at length watching it is tough. But, I've seen the kind of performances, I have seen all these choreographers, with the kind of stuff that they've brought out among the celebrities that they've been, rehearsing with and dancing with. And I think it's exceptional. And, my only high was that having a choreographer like Sonia, I knew I could start moving, which is like the biggest.
Okay. What about 3 judges? You got fantabulous judges here. So what do you have to say about them?
They're fantastic to look from far, but then it just makes matters worse because all of them have such a great eye to catch good dancing, and I'm not being a good dancer. I'm constantly under pressure.
And one message you want to convey to your fans?
Well, if I have fans, then what would I like to tell them? So everybody who appreciates my work, I just like you all to stand by me, be there, vote for me so that I get past certain hurdles. But every vote of yours is going to be paid for in the sense that you're going to see something better come out of me.
All the very best and pleasure talking to you, Siddharth.
Likewise.
Thank you.